The healthy Morning Glory Muffin recipe is vegan and also gluten-free. It's almost like an oatmeal bowl, just in a muffin form. And it's so good, easy, and delicious. And with the spices, it gives a little fall twist. So let's get into making some healthy Morning Glory Muffin. Welcome back to our simple home. We start the healthy Morning Glory Muffin recipe with 120 grams of applesauce, 2 tablespoons of nut butter. I used sunflower seed nut butter this time. One-quarter cup of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar, 1.5 cups of rolled oats. I used gluten-free rolled oats, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I peel a piece of carrot. I only need 40 grams of carrot. I shred the piece of carrot. In a little bowl or glass, I weigh off 40 grams of shredded carrot. Next, I will peel half an apple. I only need 40 grams of it also, so I don't need much. So half an apple is good enough. I shred the apple. In a little bowl, I weigh off 40 grams of shredded apple. So now I add the shredded carrot, 40 grams of shredded carrot to my bowl, and 40 grams of shredded apple also to the bowl. I add 30 grams of chopped walnuts also to all the ingredients and 30 grams of raisins. I mix everything on left if you use Thermomix. I turn on the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I transfer the mixture into my prepared muffin tin. I use silicone muffin cups. I think they hold pretty good, and then the paper doesn't stick to it if you use paper. So I use 2 cookie scoops for that. I don't have the muffin scoop, so I just use 2 cookie scoops, and it is good enough for, I used 7 muffins, but if you want to make them bigger, 6 muffins would be plenty also. If you want a bigger batch, just double the recipe. For us, 6 or 7 muffins is good enough, so we just did this recipe. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my videos with others. That means a lot to me. And if you are into it, just write a comment below. I would be so happy. Let me know, what kind of muffins do you like? Now I transfer the muffins into my preheated oven. For 5 minutes I bake them at 425. Then I change the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for about 18 to 20 minutes. So here are my healthy Morning Glory muffins. They look pretty good, and they are very easy to take out of the silicone muffin cup. Here you can see the muffin up close. Now I will cut the muffin in half and show you the inside. Here you can see all the goodness inside. There are the walnuts, carrots, and apple. You can also see the rolled oats here and there. It's pretty good. We love those. They're really healthy and good stuff. Like you can use them in the morning or even as dessert or for cake if you prefer. And they taste good. It's almost like a fall oatmeal bowl in a muffin form. It's very good. So, well, try it out if you like. And I'm so glad you stopped by. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out my other videos. I have lots of gluten-free videos and also other videos. Check them out. Maybe you like them.